Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am again here out in the wild, 5 or 10 minutes away from civilization, going to the bakery to get some bread, provide for my family. If you want to help me, subscribe. Don't send this video to others. Well, you may, okay, yeah, please send this video to others, comment something. Let's beat the YouTube algorithm together. I have a question here. You saw it probably in the title, in the thumbnail, and the answer will be found very, very soon. Are you excited already? I hope so. Yeah, let's make this introduction even longer. Bye bye. Well, it's not longer now. Ciao.